If these walls could talk, just gonna be go, 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 go mode. But I feel confident. So the third Sunday, we are very much back. The third Sunday, if these walls could talk. And what we're gonna do today is paint some walls up in this place, and will you paint this bad boy. I'm very excited for today, but it's gonna be might be a lot, but we'll see. If these walls could talk, third Sunday. I was thinking about maybe painting one, but why not do two? I have 4 hours to complete and also paint this bad boy. So I think it's just gonna be a go, 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 go mode. But I feel confident. I feel that's the thing about me and creation. I've been creating for over 10 years and it's never not worked out. So I trust in God, in myself, and the moment and the ideas that will come to my mind, and I just move with divine timing. First, let me prepare, maybe put some tape and some stuff on the ground so I'm not gonna fuck up the floor, even though there's not really a floor. But yeah, let's go. Usually I don't have an idea what I'm gonna paint. Sometimes I do, but most of the time I just go with the flow, even though going with the flow is for dead fish. So it's interesting that these two walls have like this corner. So I'm thinking about doing something to interact with the corner, or you know, make something that, yeah. I don't know, maybe just go. So the first part of the mural is done. And I'm thinking that it could be friendship and somebody like going in for a dab with the other person that's gonna be right there. Even though I don't have the right color anymore. I think if these walls could talk, they would speak about connection. Because it is a place where they showcase art, and one of the things that art can do, especially street art, if you want to call it that, is making the connection between the people and the place and the streets. And that's why I love that my work, and this is like a gallery, so they probably don't have that much street art. So that's why I wanted to do spray paint, because all these older people that come here, they probably, when they see me working, they be like, man, oh, is he doing graffiti? Where's that graffiti? We don't like that. Well, I'm sorry, but you will have to look at it, because I decide that this is important. And if these walls could talk, they would say, listen to the youth. Check what the people want. It's not always what the older white generation wants. I think that's important to also put in places like this. Otherwise, they will never interact with these type of art. So if these walls could talk, they would talk about togetherness. They would talk about coming together and, you know, learning from one another. I think it's very important to blend yourself with other cultures and other people that might not look like you, but in the end of the day, we all human beings and we all sort of the same in a way. So if these walls could talk, they probably would say the youth got a voice too. And listen to that.